everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the March VBKit Good Times. This has got all of the bright, fun, nostalgic vibes to it, and I'm really excited to get a better look, so let's get started. So first we have a close-up of the kit envelope, which a lot of people have been cutting these down into dashboards and folders for their planners, so that could be a really fun idea. I'm loving the little cameras and coffee cups on here. I think those are my favorite parts. Next up, we have this little tiny sheet of dainty stickers. They are all foiled. These are so perfect for personalizing your pins a little bit more, putting them right onto the barrel or on the hardware, however you want. I love the little sunglasses. I think those are my favorite on this sheet. And next up we have this month's list pad, and this is in collaboration with Paperish Prints. I love whenever she does collabs with other shops, it's so fun. So we've got our foiled scallops here at the top, plenty of room to write, and then we've got the typewriter design down at the bottom. And this is about 7 inches tall, so I'm thinking about punching this and sliding it into either my rings planner or into my happy planner. So some good ideas for that. And of course, if you have a smaller planner, you can cut it down either down at the bottom or up here at the top and still have plenty of room to have your list included with that. Next up, we have this 3-pack paper clip set, and this has got the gold hollow foil on there. I'll try to catch that in the light for you. So we've got It's a Plan, Get Busy, and Take Note, and these do feel very thin, so they won't be very bulky in your planners at all. And then here's the back. It's just plain white on there. Slide that back in. 3 new paper clips. Okay, so this is fun. Now we've got a sheet of puffy stickers this month. We've got a gumball machine and quotes, sunglasses, and a rainbow, but my favorite, if you couldn't guess already, was this one right here. Coffee plus pink and black and gold. Totally my vibe. Love that. I'm curious to know what your favorite one is, though, if you want to tell me in the comments. And these are really great for adding like some depth and texture to your dashboards or your paper crafting, so looking forward to seeing how everybody uses those. And the journaling cards made a comeback this month too. So we'll start off with these little tiny ones. We've got Make Today Happy. This one is super cute. Make Yourself a Priority. Think It, Want It, Get It. Getting some Ariana Grande vibes from that one. And then Dreams Don't Work Unless You Do. That one's probably my favorite out of these 4. And then we get 2 4x6 ones. We've got It's a Good Day to Have a Good Day. And Do More of What Makes You Happy. And then we get 1 5x7 that says Love Yourself, and it's got some of the background elements foiled on that. And these are all blank on the back, which makes for the perfect space to do a washi dashboard. And speaking of washi, we have this month's 2 rolls. We've got a skinny and a standard size, so let's go open these babies up. Alright, so first up is our standard roll, and this one has a rainbow print and it's got some foiling throughout the pattern. This is super pretty. And then for the skinny roll, we've got this pattern, which has got all of the different shapes and splatters and makes me think of Nickelodeon or Saved by the Bell. That's what I'm getting from this one. And it's got the little foils through there. Ooh, let's see. Hopefully it's focusing. Yeah, so you can see all of the fun details that were put into this one. And here they are outside of the packaging together just to see how well they coordinate. Another great addition in this month's kit is the enamel pin. I love these. They are all over my room on my cork boards. So this one is a cassette tape that says Planner Addict Mix, and it makes me really curious to know what would be on this playlist. What do you think? I love these fun colors though. So bright and happy. And next up we have our stickers. So first up we have the mini deco sheet. This has got the pins and some quotes and milkshakes, headphones, roller skates, all kinds of fun little details on here, not to mention that gold hollow foil. And of course we have the Good Times sticker books. So this is giving me so much like 90s vibes. Look at the way those patterns and the colors, just all of the design details are screaming like 80s and 90s to me. So here are our full boxes. See where the foiling is on here. And then our next page is the circle icons, some labels, bill pay stickers, and then we've got some more full boxes and the clipboards, some quarter boxes down at the bottom. And then the full sheet of half boxes. Look at those foil borders. I love this one here, this pattern. And we've got some headers and labels, banners, and these have scallops on them. I'm sure you can't tell maybe if you see the cut lines, but these are scalloped. I love those. And then we've got a full sheet of deco to coordinate with our mini deco sheet. Flat lays. Let's get a close-up on those because those are always so fun. And then for the next sheet, we've got two date covers, or two sets of date covers, some arrows, and the tabs, some quote boxes down at the bottom. Let's see. And then, here we go. Almost skipped this one. We've got our flags and checklist, banner flags down at the bottom. And this is the mini week sheet, which, I mean, if you've seen my unboxings before, you know I love to use these in my monthlies as well, just because they're so tiny, and I don't have a hobo week, so perfect for those as well, smaller planners, or just adding details, little tiny details to regular planners. So that is the sticker book. And then on the back, of course, you've got your overview that shows all of the different sheets, and then a nice little disclaimer at the bottom asking for you to please wait a couple of seconds, let your ink dry so it doesn't smear. That's always good to know because I'm definitely someone who goes over and writes with it and then like this part of my hand right here smears it everywhere, ruins my layout. I hate it. So definitely be mindful of that. And we can't forget about the all-star of the show, the Good Times VB pen. So this one has white barrels, black hardware and logo. And in the crystals, I'm seeing yellow, hot pink, and I think some light pink mixed in there as well. And last but not least, we have this month's paper pack add-on, which is a separate purchase you can get during pre-orders. You can get either the basic kit by itself or the basic kit plus the paper pack add-on, which is great for making covers, dashboards, dividers. You get 6 sheets of paper, 2 specialty, and 4 cardstock, all 8.5 by 11 inch. The cardstock are all double-sided, and I will show you those. And they come folded, which is great if you are in a TN and like to have that nice crisp edge right here to make dividers in. I really like this pattern, by the way. Here is the second cardstock. Oh, I love this one too. These 3 look so good. I like those 3 together. Then we've got the third one. Here's this side. And this side, oh, add another one to that list. If you can tell, I'm really loving the black and white ones. I know this one is supposed to be about all the bright and fun colors too, but those are the ones that are grabbing my heart right now. And this is the last sheet of the paper pack. Yes, another one. Like, look how good these look together. And then of course you can have business on the front, party on the back. You can do like a little mullet situation in my planners. Business in the front, party in the back. That's the saying, right? I think so. So I love all of these together. So yes, if you like doing paper crafts and extending your kits a little bit more to make pockets or dividers, anything like that, you definitely want to be sure to grab the paper packs whenever you get your pre-orders, or sometimes you get lucky and find them during the Kit Extra releases too. And every VBKit pre-order comes with digital paper and clip art that coordinates with the monthly theme and allows you to extend your kit even more. There have been a lot of creative projects using the digitals posted on the VB blog that you can check out. That's linked below in the description along with my Instagram and all of the VB links. Let me know what your favorite part of the kit was down in the comments, or if you have any questions, drop those there for me too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.